to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio step by step in 2026. Whether you're a beginner, developer, student, or content creator, this guide will help you get started quickly. First, open your web browser and go to eStudio, Google.com ***. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside, you'll see the Google AI Studio dashboard. To start using AI, click Create Prompt *** or New Chat ***. Choose a Gemini model from the available options, depending on the task you want to perform. Some models are optimized for speed, while others provide more advanced reasoning. Now type your prompt in the text box. For example, you can ask the AI to write an article, summarize a document, generate code, translate text, or answer questions. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the response will be. After entering your prompt, click the *** run *** or send *** button. Google AI Studio will generate a response in just a few seconds. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply edit your prompt and try again. You can also adjust model settings such as temperature, output length, and other parameters to control how creative or accurate the responses are. If you're a developer, Google AI Studio lets you generate API code snippets in different programming languages, making it easy to integrate Gemini into your own applications. That's all it takes to use Google AI Studio. With a little practice, you'll be able to create high-quality content, write code, brainstorm ideas, and build AI-powered projects much faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.